Welcome to Cat's Globe, where we're about to embark on a fascinating journey into the enigmatic world concealed within your feline companion's head. Whether you're a cat lover or not, I can guarantee that the insights awaiting you in this video will leave you utterly amazed. First things first, let's talk about the size and weight of a cat's brain. It might surprise you to know that the brain of a domesticated cat is roughly just 2 inches long and weighs between 25 to 30 grams. To put that into perspective, it's about the size of your pinky finger. But don't let its diminutive size fool you. This tiny powerhouse is responsible for all those peculiar behaviors and razor-sharp instincts we adore in our feline friends. Now, let's talk numbers. Cats have around 250 million brain cells. Yes, you heard it right, 250 million brain cells. To give you some context, that's similar to the number of brain cells in a brown bear. Just imagine these millions of brain cells forming an intricate network that processes information from your cat's senses, controls its every movement, and enables it to make decisions. Whether your cat is stealthily stalking a toy mouse, figuring out how to open a door, or simply pondering the ideal nap location, it's all thanks to this vast network of brain cells. Now here's where things get even more mind-blowing. The structure of a cat's brain is remarkably similar to that of a human. In fact, it's estimated to be about 90% similar. This means that, like us, cats have a cerebral cortex that's the part of the brain responsible for decision-making and problem-solving. So, when your cat pulls off a clever feat, like locating their hidden treat stash, you can thank their cerebral cortex for the genius move. Now let's delve into the intriguing topic of memory. Cats have a remarkable memory system divided into 3 main types: spatial memory, short-term memory, and long-term memory. Each type plays a crucial role in their daily lives. Spatial memory is what allows your cat to effortlessly navigate your home, even in the dark. It's why they can locate that hidden stash of treats in the most obscure corner. Short-term memory, also known as working memory, comes into play when your cat solves problems. For instance, if your cat is trying to catch a mouse that's disappeared behind furniture, it's their short-term memory that helps them predict where the mouse is likely to reappear. But here's where it gets truly fascinating: long-term memory. Cats are one of the few animals that possess an episodic memory, which means they can remember specific events and experiences and recall them later. This explains why your cat may rush to the kitchen at the mere sound of their food tin being opened. They remember that this sound usually precedes mealtime. So, if you've ever wondered how your cat seems to have a built-in mealtime alarm clock, now you know it's their episodic memory at work. Ever noticed your cat's uncanny ability to remember when it's mealtime, or when you're about to leave for work? It's not just a coincidence, it's their extraordinary memory in action. But there's more to explore. Cats have another impressive trick up their furry sleeves: episodic memory. This means they can remember not just what happened, but also where and when it happened. So when your cat insists it's time for breakfast because they remember that's what happened yesterday at this hour, they're showing off their episodic memory skill. Now let's discuss how a cat's brain function changes over time. Just like humans, a cat's brain function evolves as they age. They may begin to experience a decline in cognitive function, and these changes can start as early as 11 years old. Signs of cognitive decline in cats can manifest in various ways, including confusion, disorientation, alterations in behavior, or difficulties in learning new things. They might even forget familiar routines or struggle with tasks that were once a breeze for them. But here's the silver lining. You can support your cat's brain health as they age by providing them with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and mental stimulation. Interactive toys, puzzle feeders, and introducing new experiences can help keep their minds sharp. Regular vet checkups are essential for monitoring your cat's health and detecting potential issues early on. So, if you notice any changes in your cat's behavior or cognitive abilities, it's always wise to consult with a vet. In conclusion, while it's true that a cat's brain function undergoes changes over time, with the right care and attention, they can continue to lead happy and fulfilling lives well into their golden years. So whether you're a devoted cat lover or simply intrigued by the incredible world of feline brains, remember that your cat's brain is a marvel worth celebrating and cherishing. Now, it's your turn to share your cat's most unforgettable memory in the comments below. If you've been as amazed as we have exploring the mysteries of feline brains, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Cat's Globe for more mind-boggling insights into our furry friends' world. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Keep those cat tales coming.